So guys, today we're gonna be playing Darwin Project. If you don't know what this game is, you could look it up. It's a pretty good game, but you know, it's dead, so can't find any
sucks.
Shut up! And and we're gonna be playing with bots. And do you guys want to introduce yourself?
Nope.
Okay, alright, we're gonna start the game.
Okay.
You guys ready to get kicked? Oh.
Kick? You're gonna kick us.
No, I'm gonna. Never mind.
Oh wow, this is
You would do that just to win. Okay.
I mean, I'll do what I have to.
I mean, just get trees. It's like Minecraft.
I don't know.
I think it's the exact opposite.
What do you mean exact opposite? Exactly.
Well, you know.
I'm cutting down a tree with an axe. Try to tell me that's the exact opposite of Minecraft.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. But do you get an axe off the start? No.
You could.
Oh, I see you guys. Who's in the bottom left corner?
Me?
I don't know. Who is?
Who's in the middle right?
Is that me or you?
Oh! I'm already forbidden, God.
Oh, well, I know where he is. I'm gonna go kill him.
Wait, what? No. I was kidding.
No, I'm gonna go kill you.
I was kidding.
Kill
I was
him.
kidding.
Kill him so he doesn't get the content.
I'm out of stuff.
Yeah, enough content for you, buddy.
Well, content for me.
We'll kill you. You're gonna make it.
Ludgy's getting a electronic.
A new electronic.
And there's a tree floating in the sky.
Oh, I love this game just because of the lag.
It is so good.
I don't know why you're lagging.
No, it's not like lag, it's just framing.
Yeah, I think it's just you.
I don't know why. Yeah, it's not happening with me. I don't know.
I'm running perfect.
Your graphics are too high. Your pathetic laptop cannot handle them.
You bum.
I got Uno Electronics. What do I do with electronics?
You make stuff to kill people with.
Zones remaining.
What? Oh,
Hold
on
Q.
this one.
You're looking at the wrong guy.
No, I think that's you.
Sure.
What do you mean? What am I talking about? Chewy plays. Yeah, I was looking at you on the
Center
map.
zone is about to be forbidden.
I'm hiding in a bush.
God, I'm gonna kill somebody. I'm bored.
You have to have patience.
Patient.
Patience, alright?
That's like the one quality that I know myself to be. Besides Asian.
Yeah. Alright. Oh
A new
no.
electronic is available.
I don't even want to go over here.
I'm like Aiden.
You sound like Chewy plays.
Thank you. Chewy Plays is amazing.
Yeah.
Check
It's
him out, by the way.
pretty famous, you know? Hey.
Look in the description.
Okay.
Craft fire. I'll do that.
You know what else is by that link? The link to Ludgy's channel.
Well, you know,
Don't forget to click.
I don't get paid enough for these free
Center
shoutouts.
zone is now
I don't get paid at all, actually.
5 zones remaining.
Yo, I can't find wood. How do you find wood?
I have 10 wood. Oh, wait. I actually don't know how much wood I have. I have 5 wood. I already have an
Got a
axe
smoke
sharpener
bomb.
and a fur cloak, so.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, joke's on you. I got that out of a chest.
Joke's on you.
I'm about to die of frostbite.
Build a
Build a
fire.
campfire.
I don't got wood, kid.
Hit a tree.
Hit trees.
There's no trees around me. I'm like in a desert.
What?
It's snowing everywhere. What do you mean?
You mean I'm in a desert.
I just got done.
Guys, I think I'm playing Fortnite.
About to craft me some snowballs.
Northwest
Oh my.
zone is about
What
to
is
be
with me
forbidden.
getting. Oh, never
When
mind.
you guys are next to me, but I'm about to die, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, that's nice.
GG, guys.
Well, you know you're
You're
never good at
fine.
games anyway, you know.
Doesn't matter, I'm dead.
Why?
I'm dying of cold. I don't know you need fire.
Break
I don't need
trees!
If you're by me, there's a million trees all over the
I'm
place.
dead.
Why?
I don't know. I've never played this game before.
I thought
You said you played it on
Xbox.
Xbox.
Yeah, years ago.
This game wasn't out years ago.
Oh, when
A
I
new
came out, I played it
point
once.
Is available.
When I
Okay.
Well,
Looks like it's just me and you, Ludgy.
came out, it's
me and
fire.
Ray's Mystic.
Okay, Ray's is at the left and Leslie's at the bottom right.
I hate spectating
Now
in
fight.
this
Two.
Northwest zone is now forbidden. 4 zones remaining.
Yeah, I messed up.
game. I am gonna go for a movement in this game, so expect me to go zoom zoom. You know what I mean?
Zoom, zoom, real fast.
Mm-hmm.
No, Ray's Mystic.
East zone is about to be forbidden.
Well, are you stalking me? Are you stalking me?
Maybe.
Oh, okay. Wait, what?
So, Ray's
Chewy, where is Ludgy?
over there.
Help a man out.
Yes, you guys want to fight? Fine.
No. No. You wouldn't.
I don't normally do this, but I'm scared. Cause all Ludgy does is buy axe sharpeners.
That is not true. Maybe.
Nope, I am not gonna upgrade that. So, you're gonna grab that electronic?
Huh?
You gonna grab that electronic?
I mean, it's kind of far, but
Where are you?
like, other side of the map.
East zone
Oh,
is
really?
now forbidden. 3 zones remaining.
Yeah, basically.
What should I buy? What should I buy?
You're gonna take a nap.
A new electronic
What?
is available.
You remind me of someone named Ray's Mystic.
Well, Ludgy reminds me of a
Southwest
bot.
zone is about to be forbidden.
We should have invited Aiden and Ray and wait for content.
Well, you know.
They don't even do anything besides play Rust. They're playing Rust right now.
No, they play Rainbow with Raiders.
I don't even know where my stuff going. Ludgy, how many electronics do you have?
3.
Oh. Are you gonna grab that one over there, or are you gonna save it for me?
Why the hell does he
Maybe
four?
that- Why would I need it?
Oh. Oh, did I? Oh, I was about to say I just left. Wait, did another?
A
Oh,
new
going back.
electronic is available.
Well, Ludgy, you know where I am now, so
South
You wanna come for me?
Is now
you wanna come for
forbidden.
me?
2
Maybe,
zones
maybe.
remaining.
Maybe I do, maybe I don't.
You see this, Chewy? You know what this is right here?
I'm not expecting you, hold on. What is that?
It's a campfire.
That just looks like wood.
Yeah.
That does not look like no campfire.
It's
As a
wooden and
campfire.
spoons. I need to
Putting
craft more
wood
arrows.
in like putting wood in a pile is called a campfire.
Mm-hmm.
I don't need that.
I guess you learn something new every day.
No, I don't. It's not school yet.
Okay, I'm scared. I have no idea where you are.
Yeah,
But why would I be scared of
West zone
Ludgy?
is
Like,
about to
what?
be forbidden.
I mean, he beat me in jujitsu.
I also beat him in this.
He beat me in card jitsu. He beat me in minion master. He's a god. Don't do it. Oh. Jesus.
I did it.
He said that man's flying.
Eee.
Oh, what will I get?
Cloth.
Speed
What are
boost.
those? Go get him, Nudgy.
Yes,
Come
yes.
on, get him.
I gotta do
Oh
this.
my gosh.
And then do this, and then that's pretty good. I wanted that to not. Oh
Bad.
shoot.
Where are you?
The
no.
battle
A new
is about to
point
begin.
is available.
Get up!
West zone.
Fight each other, you losers!
I don't know where he is.
Zone.
Are you kidding me?
What do you mean, are you kidding me?
Oh my gosh, this from my perspective, you know why.
I don't see your perspective.
Dude, this is whack. Guys,
Oh my
come
god,
on.
I do not like the noises
Come
in
on.
this game.
No, please. No.
Ah, oh my god. A
Guys,
deer just
come
scared
on.
me.
Yes.
Oh, a
Come on.
deer.
Please.
Sudden death.
Yes.
Oh, you wasted it.
I know.
You know what? You could die down there.
What? No!
Ooh.
Wait, what? Oh!
Oh,
Get him.
oh, looks like you're gonna die. Ah, shoot. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. You're missing. You're missing. What are you gonna do?
Oh!
Ah!
Wait, no! I clicked off the game! I clicked off the game! Come here!
Oh.
A new electronic.
Alright, guys. Are you starting? You guys ready to get clapped?
Sure.
Well, I got clapped last game, but we're not gonna talk about that. What's that? I spawned on this.
What the hell are you? Is it no snow?
I'm a countryman.
What?
I'm on a farm, cooking up some wood.
Good for you.
Good.
Thank ya.
But
Thank ya. I'm a country boy, chopping up some wood.
actually, it's time I get a chance. Can't aim with this frame.
How am I supposed to get cold if I'm working in the fields?
What?
What?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking to myself.
Set
Fuck
up
you,
that.
viewer.
Northwest
Oh
zone
my-
is about to be forbidden.
I gotta get up my country farm. I'm out of here.
A small country, brother.
Heck yeah, man. I ain't even got no armor yet. I don't even know where my armor went. I need that leather, I need that wood, I need everything.
Well, I'm gonna have cold again. That's fine.
Hit trees!
No!
Yes!
I am against trees. You gotta
trees.
save the trees.
If you were against
Save
trees,
the
then you would
trees.
hit the trees.
No, we gotta save the trees, Ray.
Well, then I'm
Save
not.
the trees. You're a
Who's
horrible
in
man. You
the
wanna kill
who's in
trees?
the left?
What'd you just say?
Who's on the left dot?
Left dot?
And who's in the bottom right?
Someone is somewhere in that spot.
Well, who's in the top?
Me. You want to go for me, bot?
Northwest
Hey,
zone
Ludgy.
is
You
now
know
forbidden.
what that means, right?
6
Yeah.
zones
I'll meet you
remain.
there. You ready to take
Well, you
it
guys are
out?
gonna. Oh no. I'm sorry for everything that I said.
I'm not.
Yeah, you should
A
be.
new electronic.
I'm not scared of you, Ludgy.
I killed you last game.
Yeah, and I
Well, that
died.
was luck, okay? I clicked off the screen.
You stepped on my trap like a dum-dum.
Well, if I didn't, I would have. Who sets down traps?
Southwest zone.
I did,
is
and
about
it
to be
worked.
forbidden.
So
Oh,
it obviously worked.
well that backfired. Stop it. Well, I'm not a country boy anymore.
Yeah.
I'm a Iceman. What are they called?
I'm an Iceman.
What?
I'm a butcher man.
Snowman?
No, I'm a butcher man.
I mean, like
I thought someone who chops up.
I
Eskimo?
know,
What are
I
you
know,
talking
I
about?
know. I was kidding.
I'm an
Doesn't
Eskimo.
sound like you know.
It really does.
I got one speed drink. If I know. Zoom zoom.
Make this real quick. Oh, that's where your fire looks like. Ooh.
Bro, I haven't even started crafting yet.
I'm getting lots of goodies.
See.
I'm finna get this electronic though. And I gotta craft a campfire. Or I'm gonna die.
Yeah, I can't find song.
Craft a campfire or I'm gonna die.
Southwest zone is now forbidden.
Young check his own.
Think we care?
A new electronic.
You know, I'm gonna craft some
is available.
snowballs because I want to hit one of you guys with it.
I want to know.
That's messed up.
No, what the hell? Give me that wood.
Chewy,
Nah, man.
I'm
What?
finna chew you like a piece of gum. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I
That's
was
weird.
no.
That's weird. That's weird.
I was kidding, you see.
Huh. Kidding, you say.
Very interesting joke.
Thank ya, thank ya.
Pretty funny, man.
I think I'm still a country man. Oh no! I just activated my speed boost.
West zone is about to be
Well,
forbidden.
no. Who's over there?
Oh my god, I can't hit a deer because my fuck.
Oh my god.
What?
Nothing.
Find a deer too?
No.
Okay, hold on.
A deer scared me last game and I thought it was ludgy.
Still. Yeet! Got him!
What is
Yeah,
that
great.
noise I hear? Is that footsteps?
Yes.
Very mysterious, don't you think?
Loot.
Ludgy?
I killed a robotic
What?
Where are you?
over there.
I'm all around.
I killed a deer.
I'm everywhere, nowhere, all at the same time.
A new electronic.
I don't
is
know. You
available.
could be anywhere. Hey, I have armor now.
Hey.
What an accomplishment.
Hey.
West zone is now forbidden.
I have 10 wood.
4 zones remaining.
Whoa, that's
I'm
pretty
so
sick.
cool, man. There we go. Get this wood.
Alright.
Interesting.
Interesting.
Who dare be in the middle going for that electronic? I see you.
Me.
Nah, that's me.
Yeah.
Wait, what? We're both aren't.
No, yeah.
What?
Sure.
Ooh, okay.
What are you saying?
Singing my country song.
Ah, I love your country so much.
Thank ya, thank ya. Like how I sing that country song.
Northeast zone.
Oh, that is not good. Cause I think someone's over there.
Yeah, you are.
No. Oh my god, I'm finding so many deers.
A new electronic is available.
I found a deer.
I gotta get it all.
He got bandages on his eyes.
Wow, that means he's
I
been
mean,
through
wow.
abuse.
Man, I got
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I got my teleport.
Wow.
So cool, man. Should I go for the leather?
yeah.
Maybe,
The electronic.
No, you should not go for the electronic.
I think I won't.
Anything but that.
I'm gonna wait for my teleport to charge back up.
Northeast zone is now forbidden. 3
Yeah.
zones remaining.
3 people. Look at that. Which food do I got? More dough. This. I'll save the rest.
Can't wait to get to that electronic, man.
Oh, you're going for it? Good to know. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
This content so
Shut up! You have to be patient.
that's not.
Meditator?
Wow. Wow. I love your meditation.
Yum. Where's the chest? I want
Ooh,
stuff.
Now I'm gonna spend the rest of my wood on my arrows.
You're a spin booster.
Oh my god.
I'm a big spender.
Center zone is about to be forbidden.
That seems interesting.
What does?
I thought I was gonna see some ludgy.
Good job.
Thank you.
You're professional.
Where are you?
Over there.
Wait, what?
I've been here the whole time waiting for you.
I'm waiting for you.
Heh heh.
But it's only waiting.
Is that so?
Where are you?
You two are very close right now. Very close.
Who two? You two or me two?
You two.
That
In
didn't.
fact, you're both looking directly at each other.
I'm looking.
Is now
No,
forbidden.
what are
I
those
see
big red
you.
circles?
Zones remaining.
I see you.
What am I doing?
I know you are chaos.
Don't come around this corner or you're gonna get hit with the
Chaos.
snowball. You're gonna
Don't
get
go
hit
for
with the
that.
snowball.
Kill rays.
I'm going for you, Ludgy.
Yeah,
Why?
go for him, not me.
Why me?
You know why. Gotta get revenge.
Do I?
I don't have any wood, any more wood. I was gonna make another.
Think I care about your wood issues?
No, I'm sorry.
You tell him.
Alright, Ludgy, I'll defeat you with my
Where
friends.
are you, Chewy?
Get Chewy, please.
Ah, there you are, Ludgy.
No.
I see you. My eyes, come here.
No.
Come here.
No.
I have my eyes on you.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah?
about to die.
You don't know where I am.
Yeah, I
You don't
do.
know nothing about nobody.
I do. You're right over there.
Am I?
Yeah.
Well, I was just
Yeah.
camping off the
Yeah.
electronic the whole time.
Ah, there you are. Yeah.
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 Well, you guys should see a
Yeah.
big red fire.
Yeah.
Big red fire.
Yeah.
Big red
Yeah.
fire. Big red fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah!
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I'll beat the heck out
Yeah.
of you.
I want in on the action. Where may this event occur?
Sucks, dude. Lag really sucks.
Where may this event
Oh
occur?
well. I thought I was gonna have a real fight.
A new electronic is available.
How do I feel?
You can't escape me like that, boy.
Yeah, I can. I can just quit the game, boy.
Yeah.
Well, that wouldn't be.
Zone.
Oh, okay. Dude,
2
Fine,
hours
that's
remaining.
freaking internet. I'm not lagging.
Try turning down the graphic settings. Oh shoot. Haha!
I hit you with the snowball. Hey.
But I got the stuff. I'm out.
Hmm.
Ah shoot.
Hey, get out the way, dear.
Come here, freaking. I'm dead.
What are you doing?
Low seconds I have.
Stop it.
What am I doing?
I have no more arrows.
Come here, punk.
Zone is now
Oh,
forbidden.
I'm out of
Final
snowballs.
zone.
Come on, keep shooting arrows. Thank you.
Yeah? You're welcome. Take it as a donation.
Where are your
You're
arrows?
going-
No, if you would let me take this jump.
Yeah?
You won't come near me.
Reggie, did I hit you once?
Nope.
Frick. No!
You know what I did, Chaos?
Good,
I
good, good.
healed. That's what I was doing. I used the medkit.
I know you. I shot an arrow and missed you.
Well, I beat the heck out of Chewy.
Well, yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, I'll beat the heck out of you again.
Well, in that case, guys, I'm gonna freaking end this video because I'm a whole bot. And
Yeah, you're the bot
just
now.
shut up, Ludgy. You freaking bye.